Annyeonghaseyo. So I am going to Raiza's house. So, hello ate, hi Raiza, Annyeonghaseyo. So this is my student from regular elementary, Raiza. So asa man yung balay ate? So this is Raiza's house. Here. So ang kani siya ate inyong payag or bahay kubo. So this is my student Raiza. So Raiza, please introduce yourself. Okay, very good. So let's go. Pwede mo sulod ate? So this is Raiza's house. So this is their shoe rack. So mano yung sukalente? Sapatos. So this one is they will do their laundry. Dili mo maglabat eh. So they do their laundry here. And their water. Ano yung tubigan natin? So their closet is here. So this is their house. Hello, hi Raiza again. So this is Raiza's house or Analuna's house, or Raiza's mother. So this is their kitchen. This is their kitchen. Yeah. Where they wash their plates, they cook. So also this is CR. So CR nite, this is their bathroom. So kinsa man nite imong ikaduha. So unsa may pangalan nimo bibi? Ariana. So this is Raiza's sister Ariana. And this one ate, so this is the youngest, Gabriel. So kinsay matuog direte kani nga kutsod?
Raiza.
Si Raiza ra siya ra walay tapan. So Ariana and Raiza sleep here in this couch or phone, this bed. So kinsa na isa ni na ante? So this is some clothes that needs to fold. So this one te is unsa ni ang closet? So this is the closet. Pwede na ko i-open te? So kinsa ning kuanti sa ninaan? So this is Raiza and Ariana's closet. So this is, and this one te same? Okay, so this is Raiza's uniform here. So and this room ate, kinsa may matulog diri ate kani nga kwarto. So this is the master's bedroom. Ate Analuna or Raiza's mother and her partner. What's the name of your partner? Ryan. So Ryan is Raiza's father. So they sleep here together with Gabriel. So this is Gabriel. So Gabriel. So they have, so kaniti kaning closet si mo pare. So this is Gabriel's closet, that one. So and they also have a TV, and this one is so Raiza's mother and father's clothes. So they also have electric fan. Oh, hello ate. So I have some questions ate ha. So pila mo ka diri sa kante? Pila mo ka buok family?
5.
So 5 mo ka buok. So 5. Tapos you have 3 children. So tulo ka buok anak. So the eldest is kinsay pinakamagwangan si Riza, and second,
Ariana.
so this one is Ariana te. So this one is Ariana, and youngest,
Si Gabriel.
so Gabriel. So this is Gabriel. So by the way ate, asa imong partner?
Trabaho.
So nagtrabaho imong partner. So unsay trabaho sa imong partner te?
Construction.
Construction worker. So pila may monthly kansi salary? 11,000. Unsa ang pamaagi siyang sweldo ate? Unsa na? Quincenas. So every quinzena or every 15 of the month kay 5,500. So 5,500. So ikaw ti, do you have a work?
Sideline.
So sideline. So part-time.
Part-time.
Unsa na imong part-time te?
Limpyo.
Limpyo. So mag-clean ka og house. On call na siya?
On call.
On call cleaning. So Riza's mother is on call. She will clean room rate house jud.
Mabalay na po
So,
sa kwarto.
so room or house. Oh, you will drink a water? Oh, sige, go. You can. Go, baby. So, this is... Okay. So, pila po di mong kuan na natin? In a monthly lang nato. Pila may salary nimo?
4,000.
So, about 4,000. So, total in your monthly, about 15,000. So, 11 for your partner and 4,000 him. Okay, so house ate, this house ate. Inyo haning balay ate o yuta?
Balay ra.
So ang balay, so ang kaning yuta dili. So urban poor ni siya ate.
Urban poor.
So urban poor. So they own the house but not the land or the lot. So how about studies ate? Studies ni Riza.
Okay.
Saman. Okay rin mong pag-eskwela? So okay rin mong pag-eskwela. Absent eh. Na siya absent starting sa klase?
Wala.
So Riza doesn't she doesn't have absent from the start of the class. First day of the class is August 28 or 29. Something like August 28 or 29, and Riza still doesn't have she doesn't have absent. So how about last year ti? Unsa may average niya? School average grade? 88. Yeah, last year pag yun. Again, last year.
Last year na wala pa na agad pandemic kay 91.
So last year don't have pandemic. Before pandemic, so 91 her average. So last year is 88, before pandemic 91. So ni below ni ubos. So small. Riza, unsay pinakalisuran nimo nga subject? Naglisod ka? A subject. Math? Hinay ka sa math? So, slow ka sa math. So, Riza have difficulty in solving. So, solving mathematics. So, siya have difficulty in solving mathematics. Uy, don't do that, baby, okay? So, don't do that. So, pila may score nimo sa grade nimo sa math? Last year, first grading, kabalo ka? 86. Wala line of 7. So, don't have line of 7. Line of 9 sa math. Last year lang. Fourth year.
Ay, ka-fourth grading.
Fourth grading, sorry. Fourth grading. So, grade niya, fourth grading.
90.
So, 90. Oh, 90. Second grade, first grading. 86. Second, 87. And third, 88. So, average niya sa math, something like 87. You have difficulty in math? 87? Average?
Sometimes, sir, kaya ka na siya taligdan.
So, sometimes she cannot understand the questions or the problem or the discussion of the teacher. Okay, so that's why we have the study room. If you have any questions about the topic, the teacher will help. Understand? So, pwede mi mo tabang. If you have assignments or projects, you can use the study room ha. We have things naman sa study room. Sabot? Okay. Sige, bye-bye. Thank you.
Salamat.
Oh, bye-bye, baby. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, thank you, ate ha. Thank you.